I'm Charlita Tavares. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of PrimaryOne Health, this beautiful facility that we're in front of today. And with me today is our Council President Pro Tem, Priscilla Tyson, who's a good friend, and our East Central PrimaryOne Health Site Manager, Heather Robinson. So I want to thank all of them for joining us today, and welcome to the East Central Health Center here at PrimaryOne Health. We're doing the dedication or the groundbreaking of the parking lot today. And our mission here at PrimaryOne Health is to provide access to quality health care, and particularly for those individuals who are experiencing barriers, any kind of barrier, but financial or cultural or social barriers to health care. This groundbreaking of the parking lot helps us to eliminate one of the barriers that our patients and those who are coming in for services at PrimaryOne Health experience. It's more than a groundbreaking. This is a groundbreaking of opportunity for the patients and the community here in the east area of Columbus. It's an opportunity for more people to have access to health care without the barriers of trying to come in and find a parking lot. We are a healthcare system of 10 sites. We serve about 38,000 patients on an annual basis, so access is really important, and we want to make it as simple as possible for all of our patients. I would now like to introduce a partner, a great partner. The City of Columbus has been an ongoing partner with PrimaryOne Health for almost 30 years. And it's really important that we thank our partners, those who have invested in the work of PrimaryOne Health. And we have the Health and Human Services Chair, who's also the Finance Chair and happens to be the Council President Pro Tem and a good friend of mine, Council President Pro Tem Priscilla Tyson.
Thank you and good morning. First of all, I want to thank Heather for allowing us to be in her space at the East Central Health Center of PrimaryOne. That she does an amazing job ensuring that individuals can come in and get the great healthcare services that they need. I also want to recognize from the City of Columbus, I have to recognize Ann Kelly and certainly the Finance and Management Department. So to be able to purchase this piece of land over here it took work. It took some work to make it happen, and so Ann, with all of her work, made this happen for why we're going to be here today and have this great groundbreaking to provide more services. So I want to recognize Ann and her team. And last but not least, I am very proud to stand here with my good friend and former colleague and the CEO of PrimaryOne Health, Charlita Tavares. Charlita has been an advocate for making sure that healthcare access, it will be for everyone to be able to have the access that they need to be able to get the services that are desperately needed. Access to high quality health care, every resident should have that. And so she and I share that passion. And so I'm so pleased to be here today because this facility, these additional parking spaces are going to allow more individuals to be able to have the health care services that they need. As a member of Columbus City Council, this body understands that also. And that is why this body has, for the last over 30 years, has been able to provide funding to ensure that we have facilities, wonderful facilities like this, to be able to provide that care. This council this year provided $4.8 million to make sure individuals have access to this care. And so to carry on that tradition, again, to show how much we care, we've invested $775,000 to be able to support these new parking spaces. And as Charlita said, this isn't just about parking spaces. It's about access to care. Main Street is a busy street, and having this facility and having the facility next door that provides ongoing health care, ongoing human services to some of the patients that come here, it's a busy lot. And what sometimes happens is that individuals will bypass this facility because they see the parking lot is too full. And we never want to have that be an issue. No one should have to drive past this facility or try to find other places in this community to try to park. They should be able to park right here and come in and get these services. This facility is so key because it provides the best doctors, the best nurses, the best dentists, and all the employees who work here are providing amazing care for individuals that will step into this building. This space, the new spaces will allow 40 additional opportunities for members of our community to have access to the best doctors and nurses. It also will allow 40 additional opportunities for our children to receive the vital vaccinations that they will need to succeed. And again, on behalf of Columbus City Council, again, we're pleased to be here. We're pleased to provide the resources. We're pleased to show you that we care, and we're so excited to be at this groundbreaking so more people will have access to health. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Heather Robinson, the site manager for PrimaryOne Health's East Main location. I'll take just a moment, and Charlita already recognized John Glacken and Reed Fraley. Introduced to you Thomas Luff, our facilities manager. Recognize my staff in attendance, although most of them are busy at work behind me. But I do appreciate those who were able to come out. I'm proud to be part of the PrimaryOne Health team, and I'm truly honored to have the opportunity to be part of the work being done here on the Near East Side of Columbus. As a site manager, I have the privilege to interact with our patients on a daily basis. Today, I represent them and an extraordinary staff. Today, I'm Mrs. Smith, a 68-year-old woman raising 3 grandchildren under 5 years of age. I stand here grateful that I won't have to park across the street or down around the block the next time I come for my visit. Today, I'm Tina, 8 months pregnant, 2 small children. I stand here exhausted, grateful for the care I get at PrimaryOne Health and the easier access that this expansion will provide. This investment in the community, again, is not just a groundbreaking for a parking lot, but it allows for better access for our patients. It's in keeping with our mission and our purpose, one that's near and dear to my heart. This speaks to not only how we feel about our patients here at East Main Street, but how PrimaryOne Health feels about the nearly 38,000 patients we serve as a whole. So thank you again, City of Columbus, President Pro Tem Tyson, for all your support and for partnering with us to better serve this community. I now leave you in the hands of our wonderful CEO, Charlita Tavares.
Thank you very much. Well, again, this is a groundbreaking, and we want to again welcome you and ask you to join us on the side of this building right around the corner. Our mission, as I said earlier, is to provide access to services that improve the health status of families, including those experiencing financial, social, and cultural barriers. We're eliminating one more barrier, as Heather stated. I want to thank everyone for coming. I really want to thank all of the staff who so carefully and with passion serve the patients here at East Central here at 1180 East Main Street. And I want to reinforce to the community that we have now even more opportunities for you to come into our doors and to experience the wonderful patient care that is at PrimaryOne Health. And we want to be your first choice for quality care. So if you will join me and the others as we have our groundbreaking on the side. Thank you.
One, two, three, PrimaryOne!